Hey friends, we stopped by several Costco locations to see what's on clearance for August, and we found some really great deals. We spotted markdowns on a digital kettle, a melamine Lazy Susan with a cover, coolers, shoes for both men and women, delicious desserts, and so much more. If you love Costco clearance finds and saving money, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Guys, at Costco Fullerton, for the first time, I spotted the Chefman Digital Precision Electric Kettle at a clearance price. Check this out, $24.97. So I definitely love the direction this price is headed in. At one point, it was going for $32.99. This one right here's got a 1.8 liter capacity, so it's great for the whole family. It boils 2 cups in about 3 minutes and a full kettle in about 7 minutes. You also have 7 temperature presets. It comes with a removable tea infuser for loose leaf tea, and it has a keep warm function that keeps water at your selected temperature. It's got LED indicator lights that show heating and the keep warm status. And personally, I love the size of these acrylic drinkware sets. These hold up to 22 fluid ounces of liquid. I found them going for $6.97. At one point, these were going for $9.99. The same location, by the way, Costco Fullerton. Costco in general seems to have a limited stock right now for this product, so it's definitely getting harder to find. But I love the different colors as well. These are dishwasher safe, but top rack only. That's important to mention. I would definitely use these for like water, juice, soda, iced tea, lemonade, and of course cocktails. I found this Henkel's tray and skewer set at the lowest price. This is Costco Fullerton. $28.99 would be the original price. Don't get scared now. But I found them going for $12, guys. This is such a good price. 8 pieces. It includes stainless steel grilling tray and skewers. You get 6 of the sliding skewers and 1 barbecue grill topper, and then 1 of the baskets, of course. It's made from durable stainless steel construction. Oh, this is so good for kebabs, shrimp, steak, and veggies. Sounds so good. This Lazy Susan is a handy addition to your table. I found it in Costco Lakewood. I found it going for $12.97, a total of 7 pieces. It's a Lazy Susan that comes with the lid, 15-inch by the way. At one point it was going for $23.99. So if you spot it in Lakewood, I definitely recommend to grab it because it's getting harder to find in general. At this location, I did spot it in gray. And so you can see that it rotates. So it makes sharing food a lot easier. It includes a clear cover to help keep food fresh. So you can put things in here like your fruits, veggies, snacks, desserts, and of course appetizers for your guests. At one point, this over and back dinnerware set of 16 pieces was going for $39.99. At Costco Fullerton, I found it going for $20, so it's pretty much half off. Again, a total 16 pieces, so let me show you guys everything that is included. You get 4 of the dinner plates, 4 of the dinner bowls, 4 of the salad plates, and 4 of the cereal bowls. This is stoneware, and it's also dishwasher safe. At Costco Norwalk, I came across the 5-piece storage bin set by Seville Classics. This one includes 5 bins in 2 different sizes, and I found these going for $14.97. The original price is of $22.99. It's Costco Norwalk once again. You could definitely use these for organizing your clothes, toys, towels, and accessories. I would even think you could use it for like bathroom essentials, and then of course maybe some cleaning supplies. These fit nicely on shelves and in storage cubes too. Check out this Lodge double-sided grill/griddle. If you enjoy cooking indoors or outdoors, then this is one of those kitchen essentials you'll probably use all the time. $19.97 is the price I found at Costco Eastville. At one point, it was going for $29.99. It's got a reversible design with a flat grid on one side, and then you have a grill on the other. So for the grill, you can use it for burgers, steaks, chicken, and veggies. On the other side, you can make pancakes, eggs, bacon, and grilled cheese. It's pre-seasoned, so it's already ready to use pretty much. It's got excellent heat retention, and it fits over 2 stovetop burners for extra cooking space. Costco also has the Tefal ceramic nonstick fry pan set. It's a total of 3 pieces. You get one of 8-inch, 10.5, and 12-inch fry pans. These are $7 off for a limited time. The deal's going to be ending on August 17th, guys. These went from $35 down to $27.99. They have a 20 times harder surface. They have the thermal spot heat indicator, and their oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not very often when I'm bumping into the indoor and outdoor kettle smoker by Nordicware. Guys, it's definitely getting harder to find now since Costco has the limited stock for it. But at Costco Lakewood, I found it going for $49.97. At one point, it was going for $69.99. So this one smokes food on your stovetop or outdoor grill. It includes 5 varieties of natural wood chips. Imagine using this for like chicken, ribs, brisket sounds delicious on this. And you can also use it for like pizza, cheese, and even nuts. It's got a built-in thermometer that helps monitor cooking temperature. It's got a high dome lid that fits larger cuts of meat, and it has durable aluminized steel construction. If you're someone that loves to spend a lot of time outdoors or you're constantly on the go, check out this 48 can dual zone cooler. It actually helps you keep your food and drinks organized. $39.97 is the price here at Costco La Habra. At one point, it was going for $57.99. It's got a wide top opening for easy loading and unloading. It comes with the padded shoulder strap and carry handle so you can carry it comfortably. It also has multiple exterior pockets for utensils, napkins, and then small essentials. It's leak resistant and it holds up to 48 cans. I also spotted these raffia tote bags by Banana Republic half off, guys, at Costco Fullerton. At one point, these were going for $19.99, so pretty much 20 bucks. I found them going for $9.97. I'm so tempted. These are definitely lightweight, very easy to carry. They're perfect for the summertime right now. Can definitely see myself taking this on vacation or every day since I have a little one. I can definitely see her snacks and my personal essentials fitting in here. It's fully lined. It's got an inner zip pocket and it has comfortable shoulder straps too. Now, moving on to shoes. At Costco Tustin, I found the lowest price ever on these Kenzie women's sandals. I found them going for $4.97. Wow, I'm tempted at this price. At one point, these are going for $17.99, by the way, so it's a huge markdown. They definitely have a very easy slip-on design. They got a padded footbed. They're stylish, yet they have like that minimal look that goes with almost anything. I spotted these in 2 colors. I did spot them in black and white, and I spotted several different sizes as well. These do come in whole sizes only. At Costco Lakewood, I also came across the Adidas Cloudfoam shoes. I spotted these at a clearance price. At one point, they were going for $36.99. I found them going for $14.97. Once again, Costco Lakewood. These are lightweight. They have that classic Adidas athletic style. They have a cloud foam cushioning that makes them pretty comfy. They have a breathable mesh upper that helps keep your feet cool. And they have a flexible outsole that moves naturally with your feet. I did spot them in black, but sizing was very limited. And also at Costco Lakewood, I came across the Adidas Ladies Cloud Foam Flex sneaker. These were also at the same price pretty much as the men's. I found them going for $14.97 as well. At one point, these were going for $36.99. And again, Costco has these in 2 colors. They do have them in black and also in white. Look at how adorable this one is. It's a hooked accent rug. And guys, these are finally on sale in case you want to start your Halloween shopping early. I found these with $5 off through August 9th. So typically these go for $18. Right now with the discount, the price comes down to $12.99. It's a good sale, guys. And look at all the different designs you get to choose from. In the freezer section, I came across the Cheesecake Factory Grand Cheesecake Assortment. You get a good variety in here. Costco La Habra for the first time marked this one down to a clearance price. $14.97. So it's pretty much like what is this? Like a $5 difference from the original price. It typically goes for like $19 or so. One slice is around 410 calories. I mean, guys, it is dessert, right? So I think we all know this part. But yeah, this one right here has key lime cheesecake. You get white chocolate, raspberry truffle cheesecake, banana cream, and strawberry topped original cheesecake. This is so tempting. This is the thrifty sorbet. You get red, white, and blue, cherry, lemon, and blue raspberry. This is the 2-pack, by the way, of the thrifty sorbet. $6.97 at Costco Tustin. $10.49 would actually be the original price of the product. And I definitely hope to continue finding thrifty products at Costco. I'm definitely loving these finds. 2/3 of a cup's around 130 calories for this sorbet. At Costco Tustin, I found this value pack at a clearance price of the Tabasco Salsa Picante hot sauce. Again, you get 2 bottles of around 16.2 ounces. These bottles are huge. $3.97. Wow, you're paying around $2 for each bottle. The original price is of $8.99. Again, Costco Tustin's 0-calorie sauce, by the way. You can add it to your tacos, burritos, nachos, and more. If you are a Keurig owner and you like the Starbucks French roast, dark roast that's got notes of dark caramel and sweet smoke, this one I found at a clearance price in Costco Fullerton going for $37.97, and the box comes with a 72 count of the K-Cup pods.